So, I'm trying to do homework, and I was taking a time test. She was doing this while I was taking a time test, but she's standing on my computer. Kitten, I have to do... Kitten, I have to do work. Kitten, I have to do schoolwork. Kitten, can you get off my computer, please? Can you please get off my computer? I'm sorry I haven't been showing you much attention this morning. Ow, ow, ow. Are you back? Is it comfortable? This is my phone, Kitten. You licking my hand? Yeah, I love you too. Can you get off my computer now? Can I do my schoolwork? No. I was taking a time test and you were doing this too. It was serious, Kitten. Oh my god! Did you... Kitten! Kitten! Kitten, you just logged out. I'm sorry that my schoolwork is more important than you. Will you forgive me? I'm sorry. Oh my god. My arm is getting tired. I'm gonna let go now. Are you gonna go away? Oh my god. Get off of my kitten. Look at this. That's my phone. Yeah. I love you. You're a pain, but I love you. Come here. Can you go now?